Most of the time, when we leave home, we simply say we're going for a picnic. We pack the car, choose a road, and set off. I think the journey means more than that. It's our way of stepping away, even for just a few hours, from everything that keeps us busy. And perhaps, without realizing it, the story begins the moment we leave. I like the roads that don't take us straight to our destination. The ones that make us slow down. Shake us around a little. And pay attention to what's around us. For the children, it's an adventure. For us, it's a day away from the noise. And for Big Bertha, probably just another ordinary day. Once we arrive, everyone quickly finds something to do. The chairs come out, the fire is lit, the coffee goes on the stove. And slowly, this unfamiliar place begins to feel like our own. We're not doing anything extraordinary. We eat, we talk, the children play, but these are often the moments that come to mean the most. They may not remember the road or how long it took us to set everything up, but they might remember the cold water, the stones beneath their feet, the laughter, and the freedom to play without anyone rushing them. Childhood never tells us when it's creating a memory. It simply happens while we are busy living it. Sometimes I wonder whether always having a camera in my hands makes me miss part of the moment. But then I look back at the images I filmed years ago, and I realize that I'm not only trying to preserve the places we visited, I'm trying to preserve who we are. Anastasia's voice, Sînziana's laughter, the friends who work there, a car filled with far too many things, the chaos, the quiet, all the little details a memory lets go of first. Maybe that's why I keep filming. Not only to make a beautiful film, but so that one day, for a few minutes, we can step back into the life we are living right now. As evening approaches, we begin to pack everything away. The fire dies down, the chairs disappear one by one, and the place is left almost exactly as we found it. We set off again, a little tired, our clothes smelling of smoke, and the car just as full as it was that morning. At first glance, it was only a day in the mountains. But perhaps family life is built from days exactly like this. Shared roads, good friends, fire lit together, children soaked up to their knees, and evenings when we all return home together. Years from now, we won't remember how far we traveled. We'll remember who we traveled with.